Here's the part I got. Supposedly this is what...
That was 9 months ago. Today you're going to see this. Alright, here we go again. That's the sound the gear I put in 9 months ago makes. This is the new one. I bought an aluminum one. I need $50 for that one. Alright, here goes nothing. To raise the headlight, there's a little gear right inside here. There's probably a rubber cap over yours. Pull the rubber cap off. If you pull the rubber cap off, then you can turn this. Oh man. See this rubber cap on this one? This one's got a rubber cap on it. Another thing that's just weird that happened is every time we set the alarm, the headlights would go up and down. Now I lock it and they don't do nothing. That's what they should have been doing all along. I think the headlights going up and down is what's been wearing out these gears. All better.